Well, hello there. So today we have another video and it's gonna be Ipsy Dipsy. Ooh la la. Ipsy Dipsy, ooh la la. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and do our moment of the day. It's a quick one. It's just a little bitty quote that I thought would be good at this time of the year. So it is, if you are able to believe in Santa for like 8 years, you can believe in yourself for like 5 minutes. And so I think that's very, very fitting because, you know, Santa's coming around the corner and sometimes we have faith in all these other things, but we forget to believe in us. So remember your hopes, your dreams, your desires, and all the stuff I always talk about. Believe in those just as much as you did as a child, because we should always be in that childlike state of joy in order to manifest and let the universe fill in. Okay, anyway, thanks for listening from my mumbo jumbo. And here is the Ipsy little bag, because I forgot. It's a glam bag, right? Okay. So anywho, Ipsy is one of the more popular subscriptions, so most of you probably already know that this particular one is $12 a month and you receive 5 items. Mostly they are deluxe sized samples. Sometimes you do get some full sized items. The value is usually fairly good on these and they're a lot of fun. Personally, this is my favorite subscription. I feel like it has the best value for what you get. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here we go. This is for real, like the for realness. All right, so you get this pretty little Shepra bag, and it's really pretty pink. It's got this gorgeous little handle. Look at how classy that looks. Ooh, very cute. It's a wristlet. This is actually how I go to the store nowadays. Like, I have my wristlet. I don't even take a purse. Anywho, alright, so let's go ahead and see what's in the bag. Ooh, yes. First item is a glossing gloss from Laura Geller. Look at how gorgeous that color is. So let me say, it is Laura Makeup Labs. Oh, my bad. I thought it was the other Laura. Okay. Laura Makeup Labs Glossing Sparkling Lip Gloss in Mystic with 2 Z's. Alrighty, so let's pop this baby on and see what she do. Oh, nice. Oh, I like it. It's so pretty. Nice little shiny shine. I like. Let's put it on her lips. Yeah. It has a hint of frosting smell. Not a whole lot, which I like. It's really cute packaging. Like, look how pretty that lid is. I like the design on the lid. Pretty. Okay, so this retails for $10. Not bad. I like it. It's a nice top coat glaze, I would say. So off to a good start with that. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so what is this? Enzymatic exfoliating cleanser. So there it is there. Feel Beauty enzymatic exfoliating cleanser. It has enzymes derived from pineapple and papaya Gently exfoliate while pumpkin seed oil replenishes. And alanitone conditions and hydrates. So dreamy. So, alrighty, alright. I like exfoliators. I do prefer exfoliators than masks. So, oh, it's sealed. But I'll use this. So let's go ahead and open her up. Oh! It took a poopsie. It took a poopsie on my hand. Can you see? Okay. Yeah, nice and scrubby. Nice and scrubby. So you can be not a scrub. A scrub-a-dub-dub. It smelled, this one, you can smell the pumpkin in it, but I actually like it. Okay, so this full size, it says full size retails for $28. And this is the deluxe sample. So I don't know how much that is as a deluxe. So there's that little guy. Excuse me a moment. I gotta wipe some of this off. It was just too much. Like, it's too much for me, girl. Like, calm down. I'm gonna use ya. Okay, let me swipity wipe. Okay, next. Oh, look how cute. I really like that. Yep. Alright. Alright, another cream. Okay, so this is a Wave and Curl Rich Define Cream to enhance all natural textures. Yes. Alright, so yeah, I do like to use deep conditioning and such on my hair. Smells good. Just fresh and clean. Kind of a clean, fresh shower scent. Kind of just, I mean, no color or anything. Kind of just nice and soft. It feels like a conditioner. Ooh, I kind of like this. Let's see, what do it do? What do you do? Wavy, curly, coily. No matter what kind of curls you're blessed with, this genuous cream will help shape, define, and fight frizz, so they're gorgeous 24/7. This is a deluxe sample size, which retails for $24. I don't know how much the deluxe sample is, so anyway, that's cool. I like it. I'm feeling it. I'm into it. Alright, this is the last item in the bag. The It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. So it looks like it comes in this cute little case that I can't open. It's a travel size faux show. No scent. Okay, but here we go. There's the cream, or the powder. It comes in this cool little cute case. Can we get a focus? Hocus pocus focus. Alrighty. So let's see what this does. This, I believe, is for the under eyes. Okay, there we go. Come on, you can do it. Come on, camera. Come on, little guy. Okay, let's put this over here. Oh yeah, it's just like a translucent, right? Airbrush finish pressed powder. Okay, so don't know if you can see that on my light skin there, but it's pretty nice. Like, yeah. There's a little swipey swipe. Can you tell? I don't know. Anyway, this little guy is a deluxe size sample, retails for $30 for the full version. So again, I don't know what the deluxe size is. But alright, I like it. I'm excited to try that. And the last item did not fit in the bag, and it was this powder brush. And look how freaking cute she is. Oh yeah. She's got this ombre gold and green thing going on. Oh yeah. I like it. I like the bristles. I like the softness. Yeah, that's gonna work. I'll probably use it for contouring. Yeah, nice. Okay, this is obviously this is a full-size item for $15.95. So let's do our quick little recap over her. So we get the brush. We got the, oh, this would be a good brush. Kind of big, but okay. Anyway, we got the pressed powder. We got the hair cream, moisturizer stuff. We've got the exfoliating cleanser and the beautiful lip gloss for $12 plus the cute little bag. So yeah, you get all of this stuff. Oh, that don't work. Okay, you get all of these things for $12 whole. Nothing less, nothing more. You get these 5 items. So am I pleased with this box? Absolutely. I figured the value out, you know, and I gotta give or take a little for $12. I got the total based off of what the card says was $107.95. Of course, we have deluxe size items, so we can probably take that down maybe 10-15 bucks, so between $90 and $95 in actual value. So yeah, this is really a good deal. I would suggest signing up for it if you haven't. You can do on Pinterest, if you go and look up stuff that you can do with these little bags, they give you some really cool, cute little ideas that you can do. You can use them around the house for things, in your purse, as a wallet, all of that. So I think the bag is super cute. I like it. I like it all. Like, I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up. Anyway, let me know, do you get this subscription? What do you think? Did you like your bag? Which one is your favorite out of the Ipsy Dipsies, ooh la las? And yeah, you know, like, subscribe, comment, click the notification bell, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll try and remember to put a linky dinky here. I know, I guess today was the rhyming video because I already did a video today, and so I'm like, blah, 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 blah. Anywho, it's great seeing y'all again, and we'll see you for the next Ipsy and Glossy Block bags coming up soon. To be continued. Bye!